Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the browser notifications that are related to the site bhrnkw.com. bhrnkw.com. This is the website that displays numerous faulty notifications, and it tries to trick you into clicking on a special allow button, supposedly to help you watch the video. But to click on allow button is extremely dangerous. In this case, your browser may be first of all redirected to some other questionable content. Plus, on top of that, you may start receiving a lot of misleading and very intrusive advertisements that would be displayed as push notifications. In many cases, push notifications can be decent, but it's not the case when we describe these pop-ups. They are not decent, and they may forward you to many deceptive resources in the internet. So what you need to do is to go to the menu, go to settings, choose security and privacy, then site settings, scroll down to permissions, choose notifications. Pay attention to the sites allowed to send notifications, and find this malicious site and make sure to remove it from the list completely. There is a program that can help you do that automatically to remove any other malware from your system or your browser. The program is called Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button. Install the application and start researching and investigating your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.